And we want to get back to our Impact Earth Monsoon 2022 special. And for a lot of the residents out here in Globe and Miami, this is home and has been home their entire life. One of them is Joe Stapleton. You've lived here your entire life. You've never seen anything like you saw last year.
Nothing like that. We've seen floods, you know, the creeks overflow, stuff like that, but nothing like this. This thing is you can't explain. The coverage you guys are doing on this, it helps out a lot of people, and it covers a lot of what's going on.
Show us up in the hills where that burn scar and how quickly it came down.
Well, it started out in Superior, and it came all the way. And if you look on this side of the hill, that was all burn scar. Everything on this side is burn scar, which is the north side. Not extremely bad over here. But behind these trees, we can't see it, but behind these trees, the hills up here got, there's nothing but dust, you know, from what I'm hearing. I haven't been up to visit yet, but they say that is very bad.
All of that washed through here. How deep was the mud right where we stand?
I mean, if we can turn the camera around, and you can see the electrical boxes, that's where the water level was.
That high?
It was inside, the water boxes were halfway up. So you look at 4.5 feet, 5 feet, and then the mud out here was
thick.
Over here was a good, I would say a good 3 feet, and it just gradually, this was all mud. The whole parking lot was all solid mud.
Well, Joe, we wish you the best. We know you guys are looking on the horizon and thinking, all right, what's next? But I know preparation is key here.
Yeah, with the information that the county has given us and the city has given us, we've already started our sandbagging. We've already got belting, rubber stuff to cover the doors. You know, we're going to bolt the doors so that they're totally sealed this time. And hopefully we do not get any more damage than we did last year. We survived it. The smoke shop next to us got severe damage, but they were able to recover very quickly with a lot of help from the community. So.
All right. Well